Good morning, dear students. Today I will give exercises from the lesson 9. Lesson 9, first I will give MCQ. MCQ, first one. The place where an organism lives is called habitat. Habitat. Second one. Habitat consists of living and non-living components. Living and non-living components. Living and non-living components. Third one, organisms living on land are called the terrestrial. Terrestrial. Fourth one, desert, grasslands and forests are included under terrestrial habitats. Terrestrial habitat. Terrestrial habitat. Fifth one, cactus is found in a desert habitat. Cactus is found in a desert habitat. Sixth one, which one is not a unicellular organism? That is the mushroom. Mushroom. That is the mushroom. A multicellular organism has many cells. Many cells. The process of manufacturing food by green plants is called photosynthesis. Photosynthesis. Next one, respiration is a process during which oxygen is taken in. Oxygen is taken in. Next one, the process of removal of waste materials from the body is called excretion. In multiple choice question, first one habitat, second one living and non-living components, third one terrestrial, fourth one terrestrial habitat, fifth one a desert habitat, sixth one mushroom, seventh one many cells, 8 photosynthesis, 9 oxygen is taken in, and 10th one excretion. 10th one is the excretion. This is the multiple choice questions. Now come to the true false. Second one is the true false. Second, true, false. First one, roots are poorly developed in aquatic plants. True. Stem in cactus plant is reduced. False. Plants growing in water deficient habitats are called the mesophytes. False. Fourth one, aquatic animals possess a streamlined body. True. Fifth one, penguins live in aquatic habitat. False. Penguins live in aquatic habitats, that is false. And water is saline in oceans. True. Water is saline in oceans, that is true. This is the true false. Now come to the fill in the blanks. Third one, fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. blanks. First one, water, soil and air are the abiotic factors of a habitat. Abiotic factors of a habitat. Two major biotic components of a habitat are plants and animals. Plants and animals. Now come to the third one. The presence of specific features which enable an organism to live in a particular habitat is called adaptation. Fourth one, the ultimate source of light and energy is sun. Growth is permanent and irreversible. Growth is permanent and irreversible. Sixth one, an organism made up of a single cell is called unicellular. An organism made up of a single cell is called unicellular. All living things breathe in oxygen and breathe out carbon dioxide. This is the oxygen O2 and carbon dioxide CO2. Eighth one, an animal which cannot move is sponges. Sponges. Ninth one, removal of metabolic wastage from the body is known as excretion. Is known as excretion. Is known as excretion. This is all about the fill in the blanks. First one abiotic, second one plants animals, third one adaptation, fourth one sun, fifth one irreversible, sixth one unicellular, seventh one oxygen, carbon dioxide, eighth one sponges, ninth one excretion. And now come to the match the statements. Match the statements. Match the statements. Match the following. Match the following. First one, hydrophyte lotus. Hydrophyte lotus. Xerophyte cactus. Mesophyte sunflower. Mesophyte sunflower. Fourth one, amphibious frog. Fifth one, arboreal monkey. Arboreal monkey. Match the following in first one, lotus, second one cactus, third one sunflower, fourth one frog, fifth one monkey. And now come to the fifth one, fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. First one, water lily plant shows hydrophytic adaptation. Hydrophytic adaptation. Plant, water lily plant shows hydrophytic adaptations. Water hyacinth is a hydrophytic. Water hyacinth is a hydrophytic. Third one, most herbs are mesophytes. Mesophytes. Most herbs are mesophytes. Fourth one, leaves are reduced to spines in xerophytes. Xerophytes. And fifth one, gills are present in fish. are present in fish. So fill in the blanks. First one hydrophyte, hydrophytic. Second one hydrophytic. Third one mesophytes. Fourth one xerophytes. Fifth one fish. So till here you will write in your copy.